After a breakup or emotional distance, most people react from fear. They start texting more, calling more, checking social media constantly, and searching for reassurance. But the truth is, chasing someone rarely brings clarity. It usually creates pressure. When a man pulls away, your first instinct may be to fight for attention, but emotional strength is shown in how you respond when things become uncertain. Silence has a strange way of revealing true emotions. When your energy is no longer constantly available, he begins to notice the emptiness your presence once filled. The conversations, support, affection, and emotional comfort suddenly become real in his mind because they are no longer easy to access. Many women fail this moment because they believe love must be forced, explained, or constantly repaired. But real feelings don't disappear simply because communication slows down. Sometimes distance creates reflection. A man who genuinely cares will eventually compare your value to every temporary distraction around him. That comparison often awakens emotions he ignored before. But this only happens when you stop interrupting the process with desperation. The hardest part of the test is remaining calm while not knowing what will happen next. Emotional discipline becomes your greatest power. Instead of collapsing emotionally, you focus on yourself. You protect your peace, improve your mindset, strengthen your confidence, and continue living your life with dignity. That energy becomes magnetic because confidence always speaks louder than emotional chasing. When a woman stops begging to be chosen, she starts radiating a different level of self-worth. And often, that is the exact moment he realizes what he lost. The moment someone feels you are emotionally desperate, the balance of the relationship changes. Desperation creates pressure, and pressure pushes people further away. Many women don't realize that constantly texting, double calling, begging for explanations, or demanding reassurance actually weakens their position emotionally. Instead of inspiring love, it creates emotional exhaustion. A man starts feeling chased instead of inspired to reconnect naturally. When emotions are high, people often act impulsively. They send long emotional paragraphs, stalk social media, or try to make the other person jealous just to get attention. But these reactions usually come from fear of abandonment, not from confidence. The real test is whether you can control your emotions long enough to let the situation reveal itself naturally. Emotional control is attractive because it signals maturity and self-respect. A confident woman understands that she cannot force someone to value her. If a man truly cares, he will eventually feel the difference between temporary freedom and genuine emotional connection. But if you constantly chase him, he never gets the chance to experience your absence fully. Your energy stays available, and your value becomes easier to overlook. Stepping back does not mean you stop caring. It means you stop abandoning yourself just to keep someone interested. There is strength in silence, patience, and emotional discipline. The woman who passes this test is the one who refuses to lose her dignity for temporary attention. She knows her worth is not measured by how quickly someone texts back or how often they give validation. Sometimes the strongest move is not chasing love, but allowing love to reveal its true intentions on its own. Heartbreak has the power to either destroy your confidence or completely transform your life. Many people become bitter after rejection because they focus only on the pain of losing someone. They replay memories, question their worth, and allow disappointment to consume their mindset. But emotionally strong women understand something important. Pain can become fuel. Instead of letting heartbreak weaken them, they use it as motivation to evolve into a stronger, wiser, and more confident version of themselves. When a relationship ends or someone pulls away, it creates a powerful opportunity for self-reflection. This is the moment where you stop asking, "Why wasn't I enough?" and start asking, "How can I become the best version of myself?" That shift changes everything. You begin focusing on your health, your mindset, your goals, your appearance, your peace, and your emotional growth. Instead of chasing someone else's attention, you start rebuilding your relationship with yourself. The most attractive energy in the world is not desperation, it is growth. Men notice when a woman carries herself differently after pain. They notice when she becomes calmer, stronger, more disciplined, and emotionally balanced. Your glow becomes undeniable when your confidence no longer depends on external validation. Suddenly, the same person who overlooked your value starts recognizing your strength from a distance. Growth also changes your standards. You stop accepting mixed signals, half effort, and inconsistent behavior because you finally understand your own worth. Healing teaches you that love should never require you to abandon your peace just to keep someone interested. Sometimes the breakup was never meant to break you. Sometimes it was meant to rebuild you into someone far more powerful than before. One of the biggest mistakes people make when someone returns is accepting the same behavior that hurt them in the first place. Loneliness can make broken attention feel like love, but emotionally mature women understand that consistency matters more than temporary emotions. Just because someone comes back does not automatically mean they have changed. Real change is shown through actions, effort, honesty, and emotional accountability. Too many people settle for half love because they fear starting over. They accept mixed signals, late night messages without commitment, empty promises, and inconsistent behavior simply because they miss the connection. But love should never leave you confused about where you stand. When someone truly values you, their actions create peace instead of anxiety. You should not have to beg for clarity, attention, or respect. The test is whether you have grown enough to stop accepting less than you deserve. Healing changes your standards. You begin realizing that emotional availability is not too much to ask for. Loyalty, consistency, communication, and respect are basic requirements, not unrealistic expectations. A woman who knows her worth no longer sacrifices her peace just to keep someone around temporarily. Sometimes a man returns because he misses comfort, familiarity, or emotional access, not because he is ready for real commitment. That is why boundaries become important. Boundaries protect your heart from repeating the same cycle. They force people to either rise to your standards or lose access to your energy completely. The strongest women are not the ones who can keep every relationship alive. They are the ones brave enough to walk away from anything that no longer aligns with their value, peace, and emotional well-being. Your energy speaks long before your words ever do. People can feel when you are emotionally drained, desperate for attention, or constantly seeking validation. In the same way, they can also feel confidence, peace, self-respect, and emotional stability. The energy you carry after heartbreak determines not only how others respond to you, but also what kind of relationships you continue attracting into your life. Many women stay trapped in sadness after someone leaves. They replay memories every day, stalk social media, compare themselves to others, and emotionally hold on to a version of the relationship that no longer exists. But staying emotionally stuck only drains your confidence and blocks your growth. Healing begins the moment you decide that your peace matters more than chasing temporary attention. When you shift your focus back onto yourself, everything begins to change. You start protecting your mind, your routines, your goals, and your emotional health. You become more intentional about who has access to your energy. That shift creates a glow that people naturally notice. Confidence changes the way you speak, walk, think, and carry yourself. You stop trying to prove your value because you already understand it internally. Men are naturally drawn toward women who radiate peace instead of emotional chaos. A woman who respects herself becomes unforgettable because her energy feels rare. She no longer tolerates inconsistency, manipulation, or emotional games just to avoid loneliness. Instead, she chooses environments and relationships that bring stability, honesty, and genuine effort. The moment you stop abandoning yourself for love is the moment your entire energy transforms. And when your energy changes, the type of love you attract changes with it. Real love does not return with confusion, excuses, or empty promises. When someone truly changes, their actions become consistent, their communication becomes clear, and their intentions become visible. Too many people mistake temporary emotions for genuine commitment. A man may come back because he feels lonely, misses your attention, or realizes he lost access to your energy. But missing someone is not the same as being ready to love them correctly. The final test is not simply whether he returns. The real test is whether you have grown enough to recognize the difference between true effort and temporary emotion. A healed woman no longer gets impressed by words alone. She watches patterns, consistency, respect, and emotional maturity. She understands that love should feel safe, honest, and stable, instead of confusing and emotionally draining. Sometimes people return because they finally realize your value after experiencing life without you. Distance can create clarity. Losing access to someone genuine often forces reflection. But even if he comes back, you must remember that your worth did not suddenly increase because he returned. Your value existed the entire time. The difference now is that you finally recognize it yourself. Growth changes the way you love. You stop settling for potential and start valuing reality. You stop chasing people who are unsure about you and start protecting your peace more carefully. Emotional maturity teaches you that being alone is far better than staying connected to someone who continuously damages your confidence and emotional well-being. Sometimes the breakup was preparation. Sometimes the separation taught both people lessons they could not learn together. And sometimes the greatest comeback story is not the relationship returning. It is you becoming stronger, wiser, calmer, and more powerful than you ever were before.